Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the Smile White Co Whitening Kit. So if you guys have been here since day one or have seen my Billionaire Whitening Kit video, then you know my opinions on that. It wasn't the greatest, it wasn't bad. However, overall, it wasn't that wow. So just to let you guys know right off the bat, this video is in collaboration with Smile White Co, and they did send me the whitening kit to try out. Now once again, you guys know my thoughts and opinions on the Billionaire Whitening Kit, but this I like. There are some things in this kit where you may not think it makes a big deal, but it does. So let's get into the review, and I will tell you guys my opinions, my thoughts on it, because I actually used this for quite some time. And I wanted to give you guys an actual review on this product instead of doing a first impression style. So let's get into the review. So this company is based in Australia, and they are 100% animal cruelty free. I can't express that enough. They are 100% cruelty free. Now, if you go on the Smile White Co website, they do have 3 different bundles. They have the professional bundle, the ultimate bundle, and then they have the bestie pack. Now, what they sent me was the professional bundle. The difference between the professional and the ultimate is that you don't get the charcoal powder in the professional. So just to show you guys what the professional whitening kit contains, first of all, it looks like this. Yeah. And then also on the back, they do give you instructions how to use the ingredients, warning signs, and what is included in the box. So like I said, I have used this, so don't go crazy about contents being missing and whatnot. You do get 3 syringes. I've already used one full one and is in the process of a second one. And also in the kit, you do get the shade card. Now, in the Billionaire Whitening Kit, I mentioned that that one did not have the card in there, the shade card. And that was a bit of a downside for me because I don't know what shade I am. And if I don't know what shade I am, how do I know if my teeth got whiter or not? You know, like that's kind of crucial for a whitening kit. So I am glad that they do have it here. So you can fold this in half, and they have numbers from 20 to number 1. Obviously number 1 being the brightest and 20 being very, very stained. With the syringes, I just want to show you guys the difference between the two right now. So when you first get the syringe, this is what it looks like. So it's just a flat top basically. So with the kit, you do get a fine tip needle that you do have to replace so you can dispense the product in the mouth guard. So this is the one I'm using right now. It's my second one, and for you to take off the original one, I should say, the original whatever comes with the syringe, you have to twist it off and then throw that one in the garbage and put on the precision needle, I guess. And to insert it, you have to like kind of twist it in. So twist it out, twist it in. Simple as that. Also in the kit, you do get a manual. I found this interesting that you can write down and keep track of your progress, like how white your teeth got. The first week, the second week, third, fourth, and what shade you were and what shade you're at. So I found that very nifty, because with the other kit that I've tried out, obviously it's the Billionaire Whitening Kit, it didn't have any of that. And once again, like, how am I supposed to know if my teeth got whiter if I don't know what shade it's at? Anyway, so when you open up the home kit, it does give you pictures and instructions on how to use it and how long to put it in for. Another thing that I like about this more than the previous whitening kit was that with that one, you would have to leave it in for 40 to 60 minutes. Long time. Why that long? I have no idea. Like, I don't have time to sit around for 40 minutes or 10 hours for my teeth to get whiter. This, minimum 30 minutes. Still a while, but it's not a minimum of 40 to 60 minutes. You know, like I can afford half an hour. I could just sit down and watch a TV show. That's it. And just go on with my day and just get ready for bed pretty much. Like, I don't have to waste so much time. So the other things that come with the kit are the mouth guard and the light. Now, you know when I said that the little things kind of matter, and even though they're tiny things, they kind of like you know, they count. The little things count the most. And I don't want to bring up the previous kit, but you know what? We're doing a comparison. This is a review. This is what it is. So in the previous kit, you get 2 trays, 2 mouth guards, whatever you want to call it, and you would basically have to put it into hot water, boiling hot water, and mold it to your teeth. I found that pretty neat, not gonna lie. You know, it's kind of unique, molded to your teeth, but it was so, there were too many steps to that. Like I really had to like dip it in, soften up the tray, put it in my mouth, and also there was like 2 different trays. I don't know which one's gonna be my upper, my lower. I have to keep a mental note, and it was just too much. And also with the batteries of like the LED light, it's a tiny thing once again, but it matters. It just made my day. The other one didn't come with batteries. I had to go out and get batteries, and there was that whole ordeal that didn't work because I used one new battery, one old battery. It was just chaos. It was nonsense. This comes with batteries. Hallelujah. Now, if you guys have ever ordered anything online or bought anything in the store, usually at the bottom it would say that batteries are not included. And the fact that this came with batteries, yes, hell yes, I love that. Once again, tiny thing, but I love it. But do keep in mind that there is a plastic cover between the batteries and the device itself. And if you were to use it, just open this up, pop the batteries out, take out the plastic cover, put the batteries back in, lock it, and you're good to go. Yeah, so I had to like fumble and go like which one's the upper, which one's the lower, and it was just too much. I can't deal with that. With this, on the other hand, you get one. That's it. You get one. And what I find neat about this, once again, is just the fine details, the littlest things that count the most, is that there is writing on the mouth guard. I don't think the camera can pick it up, and my light is a little bit too bright, but there is writing on the guard where it says upper and lower. So obviously uppers for your upper teeth and lowers for your lower teeth. And I'm like, God save the queen. I love this. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick this up, but I will try and show you guys anyways. So if you guys can see that there are also little holes in the middle, just like little holes there. I hope the camera can pick it up, and I hope you guys can see it. If you guys need to pause the video just to make it out, you can. So there are little holes there. Basically, you would put the gel, the whitening gel, in these holes as well. Basically, it will disperse the product from like your upper teeth to your lower teeth. And also, I have to express this, like, because it said in the manual as well, that less is more. So don't use too much, use enough. Just letting you guys know that right away. And for me, I also put it around the edge there, even the bottom, just so there's enough product to basically spread throughout my teeth. And I also want to mention, I really love this. Fine details. That's all it is, fine details. I can't express that enough. I sound like a broken record, but it's true. With the previous whitening kit, when you put in the device, I felt like it could fall at any time. Not only because it was just like loose, like all over the place, but also the trays. There was just so much going on, like in my mouth, that like I felt like it will just come out at any time, you know? Nothing was really securing it properly, but this, oh my god. Okay, so I gotta show you guys this. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but there is a section right here in the middle where you put the device. Yeah, you put your device in there. It secures it. You don't have to worry about it falling out for whatever reason. Let me show you. Just pop that in, and because the mouth guard is flexible, just work it up, and there you go. That's all it is. And then you will put this in your mouth, turn on the LED light, and that's it. You don't have to worry about anything for 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. Just let the light and the gel do the work. So if you do get the professional whitening kit, it does retail for about $80 Canadian. They do have a section on the website where you can change your currency. But for Canadians, because I live in Canada, it is $80. Now, because my teeth were kind of already white, I noticed like a small difference. It's not that it didn't work, it's a small difference. Because my teeth are already kind of white, it was already higher up on the scale, but there was a slight difference. I did notice that it did get whiter. They do say you can get your teeth whitened up to 6 to 10 shades, but of course it varies from person to person. For me, once again, my teeth were kind of already white, but I did notice that it got whiter, and that's what I wanted, because I noticed that my teeth were kind of getting a little yellow because of all like the tea I've been drinking. It kind of stained my teeth. When I was younger, I had like starking white teeth, but of course I didn't drink tea, coffee, wine, all that, and my teeth were white, like starking white. But once again, as I got older, I started to drink things that kind of stained my teeth, and I didn't like it. Even though to everyone else it looked like my teeth were white, but of course, looking at myself every day, I've noticed that they weren't as white as they used to, and I wanted them to get whiter. So the fact that this gave me results that I wanted, I'm happy. I'm extremely happy. I was in between like a 3 and a 4, and I am now closer to a 2. I am happy. I can't get any whiter than this, guys. Like, I really can't, but I see a difference. And if I can see a difference, even though I'm already high up on the scale, I'm pretty sure you guys can see a difference as well. So I totally love this product. This definitely works. I gave this 2 thumbs up. And if you guys want to save some money, use my code Nadia Smile to save some money at checkout. You can save 20% off your entire purchase. I hope you guys like this review, this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, you know, for whiter teeth. You know, just right there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media handles, wherever they are. Yeah. And check out my billionaire teeth whitening review from like months and months ago. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.